Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is the best videos. I think a lot of you like it. It's more entertaining to everyone, and even I like it at all because that's what I do on Instagram and I just love it. So this time I am coming up with another Zara haul. So this time I've got a lot of stuff, and it's just not the clothes, it's heels, purse, clothes, and a lot of things like that. Also, there was sale going on last month, so there are few products that I got from the sale. Mostly all of them were from new collection, so you will still find them, so you don't have to worry about. But before we head to the video, we will be first talking about an amazing product which I got to know like just few days back. I think a week or 2 weeks ago I've started trying it. So guys, as you know, this is monsoon season and it's very sticky, it's so humid, so I've got a very good product especially for monsoon, the green tea body lotion by Wow Skin Science. First of all, look at the bottle. I just love it. It's green, and you know, the container, the pump and everything is so good. It's so hygienic, first of all, and also I really like these caps because you know, you can close and open them anytime, and because of that you can carry them anywhere when you are traveling and it's not a problem anymore. Wow Skin Science Green Tea Body Lotion, reviving and restoring care for sensitive, dull and aging skin, infused with replenishing goodness of green tea extract rich in vitamin B12. The actives help to hydrate and nourish dehydrated skin, reduce redness and skin irritation, repair skin damage and maintain collagen levels. These improve skin elasticity and restore skin natural moisture barrier. So the good part about this particular product is it's non-sticky, and when you use it, it gives you a very velvety smooth effect. So that's the reason why I liked it, because when it's humid during monsoons, you know, you just cannot trust any other body lotion. You just have to be very specific what you're using. So all you have to do is just pump a bit of lotion. So I'm just using it for my hands right now. The fragrance is really good, guys, just because you must be thinking it's green tea and maybe the fragrance is not that good, but it's amazing. I don't think they have any product which doesn't have a good fragrance. Every product scents really well, and it's so moisturizing. I really like it. Actually, it has a velvety smooth touch in it. Also guys, it is a 400 ml bottle and it is for 399 rupees only. Yeah, I am amazed. It's quite affordable. Also guys, it has no mineral oil or silicone colors. It's mentioned right on the bottle itself. It's totally natural. Every product by Wow Skin Science is natural, so you don't have to worry about anything. So guys, that was all about this particular product. I will give you the link in the description box just in case you want to buy it. Trust me, you would just love this product. So guys, let's just head to the video and get to the Zara haul. So guys, first is this check pants, which is green in color because green is so in right now. And I got a top with it. It's a very plain, simple top, nothing exclusive, but it looked so cool with it. Also, I got this handbag with this. So exclusive and it's so nice. The second outfit has this amazing skirt, and it's really, I think the slit and everything is so in these days. And I paired it with the same top as the previous one. Just because the style of this skirt is so different, I really wanted to buy it. But really like the shape and the slit and the knot here. Also, I think it's a perfect outfit if you want to go to Goa. I'm planning to go to Goa soon, so this is something that I'll wear there. Also, I got another handbag in a different color, but it is same as the previous one. These are inspired by Bottega. They have these cute cushiony bags, so I really like them, and they are for 2200 if I'm not wrong. Also, they were not on discount, so they are still not on discount. This particular skirt is not on discount, it's on fresh arrival. I think it's a perfect summery vibe, summery outfit if you want to go on a brunch or something. It's perfect for that. So the third outfit are these joggers and the top with it, and I really like the combination in the color, and that's why I got it. And I had an eye on this outfit since really long, and it's a very nice, I think, airport look. I have saved it just for that. Also because it has such a summery vibe, I really like it, and that's the reason I got it. So the fourth one is this dress. It's a very cute dress. I bought it just for the back. The back is really hot and sexy. I also have a top which has kind of the same back and it's of the same color combination. But it was just so cute, I wanted to buy it. And you can, you know, look really cute with the sneakers and everything. I think this dress is really relaxing. The stuff is really nice and you can wear it anywhere. I think for parties and even for malls, anything. You can wear this dress anywhere possible. So this was the 5th outfit that I got, and frankly this is just plainly for Goa, and I don't think I'll be wearing it anywhere other than that. It is like shorts and a top, and obviously otherwise the only thing I can use it here in Delhi would be just to sleep, that's all. And but it's really smart, I think, and just the combination was so good that I really wanted to buy it. Also, you can wear this top with denims. It looks incredible. Wait, I'll just show you. So in case you have these boyfriend jeans or the new slim fit jeans, this top looks incredible, I really think, and that's the reason why I got this top purposely. It looks so smart, and you can just in case you want to put something over like a jacket or something, it will still look cool. So this would be like a 6th kind of a look. So this is a perfect outfit you can wear to a mall, I think, and just chill. It's very comfy, so love this look with sneakers. Lastly, I got these heels, and the reason why I got them was just because I match it up with this particular bag, because both of them are of the same color, and just because it's so summery and such a nice color, I thought it can go out with any outfit possible. So that's why I got these as well. Even these were on sale. So guys, that was all in the video for today. Hope you like it. Do give a thumbs up, share and comment below if you want to ask something. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram. Do subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming up with another video in 2 or 3 days. Till then, take care. Bye bye.